Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to Djmadder. So today we do have the AIR2S inside of this package. Let's get into it. There it is. Okay guys, like I was saying, we have the AIR2S here, and it does have a 1 CMOS sensor, ADS-B, AirSense. This is the Flymore kit, but it is refurbished, so it's kind of like brand new. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the packaging. AIR2S. We have some other things, DJI. Alright, here we go, let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh wait, we have to take these little strips off. I kind of implemented after Apple with this, it's like little strips. Let's go ahead and open it. Here we go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The AIR2S. So right here we have our accessories. Right here we have our beautiful bag, like I was saying. Let's go ahead and take the accessories out now. DJI AIR2S. Top here we go. We have a lot of propellers, ND filters, controller sticks, and all extra type stuff. Let's set that aside. Now for the main event. Let's move our box aside now. What the case looks like, just a regular case. All right, here we go. Main event right here, ladies and gentlemen. Holy crap. Look at that. All right, so let's go with the controller. DJI controller, halfway charged. Regular controller. In this box, we do have a battery, it looks like. And we do have a battery right here. Oh, I just accidentally take that off. Charger. Another charger. Foam. USB thing. And another battery. And that's all that's in that. Vent. Oh wait, nope, we still have the battery charger. All right, here's the drone. So here we have our propeller things. It says we have to activate the battery by charging it. So we will charge that. We do have the gimbal. So we're gonna go ahead and move this. Let's move back to this subject. Move the drone. So all of these different propellers have different things, and it shows you where they're actually supposed to be lined up. Right here we have a thing you can plug a battery in and charge whatever you need. We do have ND filters with this one. So that's a plus. extra controller sticks, some other things. Let's move this over here and put some of these on. So we have those two. So let's go ahead and turn this on. And the controller. These will stop blinking once this is connected, just like that. And you just push and hold this way once it's ready. So let's go ahead and do this on the floor. So we do have to activate it, so let me go ahead and activate it.